Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is user. User is anyone who log into organization. Users are employees at company such as sales representatives, managers and IT specialists who need access to company's record. Every user in Salesforce has a user account, one license, one profile and role. Once user is created, we cannot delete them. We can deactivate only. Deactivated user will not be able to log in to his account. License given to this user will be released back to organization. Freeze user will not be able to log in to his account. License given to freeze user will still remain to user. For creating new user, mandatory things are license, roles, and profile. Steps to create user in classic view. Setup, administer, manage users, users, new user. Step 1, enter user detail. Step 2, choose role. Step 3, choose license. Step 4, choose profile. Step 5, save. For example, create user by the name user@network.com. Steps to create user in Lightning View. Setup, administration, users, new user. Step 1, enter user detail. Step 2, choose role. Step 3, choose license. Step 4, choose profile. Step 5, save. For example, create user by the name userb@network.com. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for creating the user in Salesforce Classic View, first we need to click on Setup, Manage Users, Users. See, this many users are there. Salesforce@network.com. This one is System Administrator, and these three users are given by Salesforce. These are by default users given by Salesforce. This is our custom user, what we had created at the time of account creation. So for creating the new user, click on new user, create the user by the name user A. Last name I am providing network. Alias is coming by default. We can modify it. Email, that is primary email, what we had created at the time of account creation, salesforce@network.com. Here I am going to provide by the name user A. So user A@network.com. Nickname is user A and title admin. Anything you can provide. Company, department, division, I am leaving that all. And here I am choosing the role like account manager, what we had created under CFO. We had created in the classic mode account manager, and user license I am taking this one, Salesforce. User license I am taking Salesforce platform. Profile I am taking standard platform user. This is dependent on this. If I am choosing Salesforce platform, then it is coming like this only. Two profiles are there, IMS platform user and standard platform user. If I am going with Salesforce, then some different licenses are coming over here. contract manager, marketing profile, sales profile, support, EMS system admin, and system administration. So many things are coming. So here I am going with user license Salesforce, and I am taking the profile EMS, employee management system admin we had created in our previous session. And all the things active is already checked, and marketing user, and remaining things I am just leaving that. Here one checkbox is coming by the name, generate new password and notify user immediately. If I am checking this box, means immediately one message is getting and it's asking for change the password. So I am going with this one only. Clicking on save button. You need to log in to your email ID what you had provided in the email section, salesforce at network.com. Here salesforce at network.com is already open. So clicking on inbox, maybe it takes some little bit of time depending upon the internet connection. So our user name is user A. Our username is user A at network.com. First name is user A, second name is network, and role we had given this account manager. License is Salesforce license it's using, and profile is EMS system admin it's using. Again, just refreshing or reloading the mail. Salesforce at network.com. Sorry, Salesforce at network.com. This is not the mail ID actually. I had given wrong one. Salesforce network at gmail.com. I have to provide. So clicking on edit button, Salesforce, maybe it is given the probability. Let's check. Salesforce network at gmail.com. This is the mail ID what I should have to give. Click on save button. One pop-up is coming. To ensure system security, the owner of the new email address must verify the changes. Okay, so we got the mail. To finish the changing your email address, go to following link. This will expire in 72 hours. Before that, we should have to click and click on continue button. I have to click on users. Just go to users, user A at network.com. Click this checkbox and reset password. Click OK. Now click on refresh button. Finish this for password. It's asking to change the password for user A at network.com. So here you should have to provide password. Make at least 8 characters of password, 1 letter and 1 number. In what city was your first job? That one I am providing. LKO change password. User A at network.com. So we are able to log in here. Just I am closing this window. See user A is coming over here or not. In the setting, personal information is coming, user A is coming. It's fine, user A at network.com. And just close this. All the things are fine here. Again, just go and see it's getting logged in or not. User A at network.com and provide the password what you had provided over there. Now it's able to log in. It's asking for verification code. Just go and provide the verification code 39383. Click on verify. So now we are able to log in this account. So okay, here I am not going too much in this account because our purpose is to just create the account. Just close this one. So coming back to our main section, here again I have to create one more user in the Lightning experience. So first I have to click on switch to Lightning experience. In Lightning experience I have to create one more user by the name user b at network.com. So for creating the user, first we need to click on setup, administration, users. So one user at the time of account creation, we had created system admin, this Salesforce at network.com. One user I had created right now in classic view, and one more user I am going to create in lightning view. How to create that one? Just click on new user. User B I am providing, last name is network. Alias is coming by default. You can change it. Here by the name I am going to provide user B at network.com. Title, company name, all the things I am leaving. And again coming to here in role section, I am going to provide a role project manager. Okay, user license I am going to provide platform, Salesforce platform, and profile I am going to provide IMS platform user. Active, all the things are fine. Generate new password and notify user immediately. Right now I am going to change the password. So this is checked. Okay, and all the things are fine. Salesforce network at gmail.com. Okay, clicking on save button. If all the things are fine and username is available, so we are getting one mail, verify the account. Click on verify account. Change the password, confirm password, security question, user v at network.com. One more user is created. Like this, we are creating users in Salesforce organization. Thank you.